Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Did you hear that sound? Yes, that's what we're going to talk about today. About sound effects, how to enhance your audio to visual experience. So open your Inshot app, go to video, click on new to add the videos that you want to edit, that you also want to add, those sound effects. Like this one, my nephew is clapping, I want to add it. And also like this, hit the subscribe button and you hear the bell sound. So click on music, click on effects, then you just scroll down, click on social, click on any of these clicks. For me, click on edit if you want to edit it, but if you don't want, just leave it and you have that bell sound for you. I know you can hear it. Also for this clapping, you want to add applause sound, click on music. Then when you click on music, click on effects. When you click on effects, search for applause or just scroll down or scroll up. When you scroll up, you will see applause. Then click on it. There are many signs or many sounds. Choose the particular one that suits that audience or what was displayed in the video. Like you can hear the sound, you can hear the ones that are clapping, you hear the ones that are cheering and all of that. So choose the one that suits your video. So using sound effects are cool. It's actually a kind of way to enhance your audio to visual experience. It gives emotion to your video. I know if you watch movies and it's a time of urgency and you see the alarm clock ticking, pum, 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 or they want to display an action scene, you hear boom boom, all those kind of sound, or music, different things, transitions. You're playing games, you're doing one or two things online that need sound. So this is how they add it. Like, okay, this is for mobile anyway, but this is how to get sound effects. There are no other ways to go about it, especially if you are using Inshot app. There are so many sound effects that you see as we go towards the end of this video. So stay tuned and see how I do my thing. So apart from applause, there are other sound effects that are available on Inshot that we are going to check out now.
3,